Let me share this basic Kundalini yoga sequence with you that I love doing before I start meditating or even at the beginning of my classes. So bring your hands on your knees and begin circling that upper body clockwise. And as you inhale, you circle forward. As you exhale, you circle back. And remember to also circle that pelvis. And circle the belly button and circle that heart center. And really just begin connecting that breath and the movement. And then gently circle in the other direction. Letting your breath deepen, letting it bring you back into the body. Feeling every part of this motion. And let the circles get a little wider. Let it flow a little more. Then come sitting upright. Inhale your breath and for a moment suspend the breath. And exhale. Just feel into your inner space. And moving your hands to where they feel most comfortable for you, begin circling your head gently, consciously around your neck. You get to decide in which direction you start with. As you're circling here, also let your jaw relax. Let the tongue relax. Let all the little muscles around your eyes just melt and relax. And then move the head in the other direction. We're releasing tension here, coming back, coming back. And letting head float up to center again, fill the lungs and suspend the breath and also activate from the rectum through the pelvic floor and the navel. Squeeze up and in and exhale, relax. Connecting to the energy flow inside of you. All right, bring one hand on your front shin and one hand the front part of your foot and begin spinal flex. And let your head just float upright as you are moving your pelvis backwards and forwards and your spine backwards and forwards. And really let that pelvis rock. And let that heart center and let that belly move backwards and forwards. You're making space. You're bringing in flexibility. You're energizing. From the root all the way up to the throat chakra. And as you're moving here on the inhale, stretch forward. On the exhale, round connect that breath with the movement. Inhale, arch forward. Exhale, round back. And then rising that spine tall up to center, filling those lungs again as you inhale, suspend the breath, activate root lock. And exhale, release the hands, release the lock. Allowing these moments of stillness in between the postures cultivates your awareness, your witnessing, your noticing. All right, time for torso twists. Hands on the shoulders, fingers in front, thumbs in back. And make sure that your upper arms are parallel to the mat. And very important that your neck is aligned with the spine. So bring that chin in and down. And on the inhale, twist left. Exhale, twist right. Keep that going. Powerful breathing that you can hear and feel through the nose. Inhale left, exhale right. And if you feel like the sides are getting pretty warmed up, increase that twist a little bit. We're expanding the lungs. We're making space around the heart chakra. Last little bit. And come to center. Inhale super deep, suspending the breath within you. And exhale, release it down, palms facing up on your thighs. Expand the lungs on the inhale. Release on the exhale. Expand and let go. And just feel wherever you notice the energy, send your awareness there. Send your breath there. And there you are. Now you know a basic beginner sequence. You can do it anytime or in my class. I hope to see you one day. Woo, well done. Bye.